Hear that call, dust on the boots, no fear at all. We're all in this for the long, hard run. Same rough work, same rising sun. Stay tuned, he's coming through. That trading cowboy's got work to do. He'll roll in fast, take the wheel, then we ride those charts like a steel horse steel. Get locked in, get ready to ride. The gang's on the rail and we're rolling inside. Outlaws together, we ride, we ride. Punish the charts and stack it high. One road, one purpose, we survive. Outlaws together, we get paid tonight. Cuts hard and the numbers shake. We hold our ground, we don't break. Side by side when the pressure climbs. Same old code, same outlaw minds. Outlaws together, we ride, we ride. Punish the charts and stack it high. One road, one purpose, we survive. Get paid tonight. Trading cowboy is riding in soon. Boots on the boards and a grin for the room. We've been waiting here, staring down the sand, with a cold cup of nerve and a steady right hand. He said, lock in, boys, hold your line. We ain't blinking now. This time, future's on fire. The night feels mean, but we know how to move in the in-between. Get locked in, get ready to ride. The gang's on the rail and we're rolling inside. Outlaws together, we ride, we ride. Punish the charts. One road, one purpose, we survive. Outlaws together, we get paid tonight. Come on, outlaws, hear that call. Dust on the boots, no fear at all. We're all in this for the long, hard run. Same rough work.
Good morning, cowboys and cowgirls. Welcome into the tack room. Grab that rope, grab that saddle, grab those spurs. Let's ride. Mr. Twister, good morning. 2 levels to watch. MLC yesterday high was 28,100, Mr. Twister says. And the daily 100 SMA is at 28,200. Both realistic targets. I like it. I like it. We have been getting that push up. My little blue line right there is kind of a higher bull flag, higher time bull flag. So we'll see. Alan, good morning, sir. Good morning, Alan. Mark, good morning, Mark. Fish, good morning. Welcome in, guys. Welcome in. Thanks for being here. Right up to almost the 880s, 27 880s. If we could get over the 80s, back into the 90s, that would kind of break this bull flag. Nom's got some cars up at the 890, 900s, and then some up at the 930s. To the downside, we got 12 at 831, 20 at 800, and 15 all the way down there at 750. So let's see what happens. I like the upside just because that's where our trend seems to be right now. We'll see. Welcome to New York. Hold on tight. Chop Trader, good morning, good sir. Good morning. Let's see if some profit takers hit the market early session. Yeah. Let's see. See if we get a little sell off here.
Push those candles green, let's rip, let's ride, you know what I mean. Kick that open, widescreen saloon, hands up high, we have
50 MAs at 825 on the 1 minute. I like that area right there, kind of where it bounced. That's kind of been the support for about the last 20-30 minutes. Let's see. Have to stay a little patient here. I said try.
I woke up mean and broke, coffee charts and smoke.
Rolling, we back. Good morning.
Then I broke my own oath, took a little scalp, turned it into a yell.
Right back to my blue brick wall right there. Let's see if we can push through it.
Funded by Friday, blowing nibbles on a Tuesday. Swore I'd cut that loser quick, then I averaged down halfway. Trying to get funded by Friday. I got a drawdown grin and a stubborn thing for sin. Kept saying one more win while the margin closed me in. Bought that dip like a fool.
I don't know, Roland. I like the upside. I like getting back into those 28,000s just to prove a point, but we've been riding these EMAs all morning, kind of. So if you look back right there, look at that. Either way you look right here, you got about a 50-point stop. 850 to 900s.
Mama said, boy, slow down, but I heard free money sound. Now I'm stop loss somewhere. Still I click with Cowboy pride while my account goes south side. Trying to get funded by Friday. Blowing evils on a Tuesday. Swore I'd cut that loser quick.
820s.
Down halfway. Trying to get funded by Friday. If I make it, I'll buy the bar. If I don't,
Look at that push.
I'll play guitar. Same old cowboy, same old plight. Maybe next week I'll get it right. Hey!
Well, I want to try short under the VWAP or under the EMAs here.
Screen glow on my face. Got lines drawn all over that chart, like a road map to some place. Red, green, flicker, and fight. Candles dancing in a row.
Here comes the close of the 5 minute.
All night, just waiting for it to blow. I'm just trading my heart on a Friday, risking it all on a little uptick.
No wick at the top of that candle.
Yeah, I'm counting on us like a breakout, hoping this runs gonna really
Let's try along. I'm just gonna put my stop at the bottom of that wick.
if love's just numbers.
Let's see if we can push back up to over these 900s.
You're my favorite trade I ever ran. Win or lose, I keep coming back to you. Trading my heart, that's what I do. You laugh when I talk about trends, say I live inside that screen. But girl, when you walk in the room, you erase everything. You're that
I'm gonna take that right there.
things that fall
Nice little $100 starter.
out true. Every pattern I thought I knew.
There's original TP right there. Closed above that bull flag.
I'm just trading my heart on a Friday, risking it all on a little uptick. Yeah, I'm counting on us like a breakout, hoping this run's gonna really stick. If love's just numbers and faith in the plan, baby, you're my favorite trade I ever ran. Win or
See if it can sell off now, right? Got a lot of bulls involved.
trading my heart, that's what I do. Some days I'm up, some days I'm down, fear and hope spinning me around. But you're that steady line through
Smash that like button for us, guys. Welcome into the tack room.
to a child. All you do, I'm just trading my heart on a Friday.
Mark, I feel like we need to see how the 1 hour and 4 hour close to get more clarity.
Trading my heart, that's what I do.
See what it does right here. See if it makes a lower low or if it pops back up.
Alarm bell ring, screens light up, green and red like county fair eyes. Got my watch list, got my plan, ain't just throwing darts and hoping this time. Moving average across the lane in, MACD talking about a shift in the wind. Volume jumping like a Friday crowd, ATR saying it's running wild now. I'm riding
Yeah, I like those EMAs right now.
Fibonacci on the dash as I watch that climb. Bollinger Bank, like barbed wire tie. Volatility dancing in the neon night. RSI says run too far. Momentum oscillators humming like a truck in the yard. Pivot points marked like fence post signs. Trend line holding as the ticker flies. 15-minute candle first break of the day. Or be hitting like a hometown parade. VWAP sitting like a center stripe. Price comes back and it feels just right. Trend reversals whispering maybe. Inversion in my gut say easy. I ain't chasing every flashing flame. Just another small win in a big long game. I'm riding this chart like a back road line.
Roland thinks the sell-off coming. Yeah, if we can't clear this 900, right? Look at all those wicks at the bottom, though. I'm going to call that some rocket fuel. Until we eat those up. I'm not going to be short yet.
RSI says run too far. Momentum oscillators humming like a truck in the yard. Pivot points marked like fence post signs. Trend line holding as a ticker flies. Could be red, could be green, it's alright. Wrist set tight, I can sleep at night. Oh yeah, just a farm kid reading candlesticks, turning little ticks into big life kicks. I'm riding this chart like a back road line.
Mark says, Roland, go short.
Dash as I watch that climb. Bollinger Band, like
I mean, look at this. This is just the count killers right here, right? I mean, we're literally going 50 points, 60 points, back and forth. You could play that range until you're not right.
say it's run too far. Momentum oscillators humming like a truck in the yard. Pivot point
Roland says, not yet, Mark. Roland's like, chill, Mark, not yet.
ticker flies.
I'm going to try another long right here. Just see if we can push to the top of these candles. Oh, brick wall at 900.
Floor, but I don't leave home. Watching that open like a rodeo gate. Every tick bucking like a seal in my face. Got scars from the sun.
Mark says the 1,000-tick chart is starting to look bad for the bulls. Chop traders playing the chop. I like it. I like it. It's getting a little bit tighter, right? A little bit tighter.
Riding that screen like a wild Mustang. Volatility is my playground. I saddle that storm and I yank on the reins. I don't chase moves. I can't send my weight in the weeds till the price comes to me. One shot, infinite possibilities. That's country as it gets for a cowboy like me.
All right, there's one off right there. I'm just going to trail this other one.
Ain't real land, but I'm staking out lines on a 5-minute span. Green
I'm going to put it back where I just took profit.
calm as a preacher on a Saturday night. Gotta stop like a host of
Let's see if we can get up to those 980s maybe.
tall, let the rest alright. If it hits my level, I play my part in queue.
Oh, it may take me right here. Let's see.
Fearless in the face of the NASDAQ.
Can pull it back down a little bit.
Like a wild Mustang. Volatility is my playground. I saddle that storm and I yank on the reins. I don't chase moves. I can't sell my weight in the weeds till the price comes to me. One shot, infinite possibilities. That's country as it gets for a cowboy like me.
And I'm going to move it to the bottom of that candle now.
Maybe it's love, maybe it's skill, maybe it's just stubborn will. But I'll be here till the closing bells dark. Not for the faint of heart. Fearless in the face of the NASDAQ, riding that screen like a wild Mustang. Volatility is my play
That may be the top for a minute. Roland says, okay, Mark. Like, wait, Roland, does that mean okay, go, or? Roland, this is called tradingthings.io if you look it up. And it's basically like trade seas on like Lucid. It's all through TradingView. All right, TP hit right there. There you go, guys. Nice little 100 points for you. But yeah, tradingthings.io, Roland. You can hook most of anything rhythmic, pretty much you can hook to it. I mean, Apex, I think Top Step even, I think somebody said. Lucid, Tradeify, Bull Knox. One of the guys I was talking to, that's how he trades Bull Knox, so that's what I started. Now I'm kind of rolling over into Ninja. Mr. Twister, Allen, thanks guys, I appreciate it. We had all that rocket fuel, and we kept getting a little tighter here, and we kept staying right there with that EMA. So look at that, we're still pushing. There's 28,000. There's 20 more points if you held it. So I was trading it. So going back, Roland, I was trading it with Bull Knox, and a couple of the guys in the Discord, Nom and them, got me set up on Ninja Trader. And so I've been trying to, figure out Ninja Trader, which I'm starting to like a lot. So I assumed that you had to buy everything rhythmic to be on Ninja. So I bought a couple Legends rhythmic platform. Well, on Ninja, you can hook as many Trade-of-8s as you want to it, but you can only have one rhythmic at a time, I think. That's like live, I guess. So instead of swapping over, I just put them on Trading Things. But yeah, go check them out. Tradingthings.io. It's totally free. I don't know if they ever plan on charging, I guess, but it's TradingView. It's just like the Trade Sea that Lucid has. I'm just rambling now, I think. Mr. Twister says, looks like it wants FOMC high. You can't do Trade-of-8 on Trading Things, but if you do the rhythmic, like when you go to Tradeify and you pick the rhythmic platform, if you have Trading Things, you can put it right on there. I believe. I don't think you can do Trade-of-8, but you just enter your rhythmic username and password that they give you on, let's just say Tradeify. 28,100, Mr. Twister says. Let's go. There's 50 points since I got out, guys. Hope somebody held that. It's kind of like a Top Step and TradingView kind of had a baby rolling. That's kind of what it's like.
Trading Cowboy back again. NQ candles moving. Accounts disappearing. Giddy up.
Sugar Trader, let's go. Come on. Mark, I was looking for shorts and didn't know what to do with all those wicks. I mean, I like to see those wicks get filled, right? But the more they kept trying, I just started calling that rocket fuel. And look at that. I mean, look at that push. 150 points up, 160 now.
engine down till I blow clean through. Moving stops farther every single time, saying it'll bounce while the account flatlines. I trade revenge like it's part of the plan. Over leverage with shaky hands. Mama said, boy, you should probably stop, but the NQ candles just don't quit. Giddy up, there goes the account. Risk management tomorrow. That's not revenge trading, that's recovery. Just one more contract, that's what I said. Now I'm sweating bullets, staring at red. Told the chat I'm disciplined.
We're gonna get any pullback so we can get back in.
Jesus, watching NASDAQ go. The market give it, the market take it away. One green trade got me feeling like Buffett today. Then I sized up crazy, thought I couldn't lose. Now I'm eating ramen noodles, singing funded account blues. If I don't close the trade, did I really lose? If I hide the P&L, can't nobody see the bruise. If I pass this evil, I'm basically Warren Buffett. If I blow this funded, we don't talk about it. I got rules I probably shouldn't use, like moving stops and watching candles new. Diamond hands on a terrible trade, telling everybody it's just a pullback phase. I keep buying dips that never bounce, turn small losses into large amounts. Cowboys don't cry when the charts go south. We just mute the mic and walk around the house. Minutes later, account blown sideways. Risk management important, guys.
There's a little pullback.
That's what everybody says. Ride the candles, survive the margin call. Funded by Friday, blown by Monday. Trading cow.
Bought that right back up. I was wanting a little bit better pullback than that. Look at that. There's the 100s. Mr. Twister in the house. Isaiah, have you caught a trade? Yeah, we just hit a little over 100-point trade right off the bat, Isaiah. It could have been another 100 right here, but how about you, Isaiah?
Sun up glow on a ticker screen. Coffee gone cold, I still king. Charts lined up like a cattle drive. I wrote that move, make the numbers fly. Red turns green.
Yeah, we entered at
Heartbeats count down.
I'd have to go back and look exact entry, but the 880s and wrote it up to the 980s.
Glass walled house.
Caught a short pullback. Nice. And calling it a day. Heck yeah. That little consolidation was a little tricky right there for a while with 50-point move. Halfway to eval pass. Nice. Nice. Capture those nice base hits. Mr. Twist, let's see if it makes it to the 28,200. Yeah. You know, I think everybody was thinking it was going to pull back, right, Sugar Trader? And now we got that nice push back up. I mean, you're right, you're right. Agree, Isaiah. And there's the pullback. You're right. I just don't know where are we going to get. I mean, I feel like to clean some of this up now, we at least got to come all the way back down where we started. But I like to see those 28,200s like Mr. Twister said. Yeah, you missed Greg. We helped him out. We had him on a couple weeks ago. He was in that Legends tournament. We had him on for about 10-15 minutes at the end there. We couldn't get him a trade because it was just chopping like 5-10 points. I don't know why he's not on right now though.
Push through the lows, break through these EMAs. Hey! Take me lower, watch that screen go gray. Hey! Whip those bulls, make the green lines drown. Push those candles, shove them down. Come on and Q, let's ride it to the bottom. Break that V1.
I got you.
Show 'em how we got 'em. Take me lower, don't you dare stop now. Come on down, come on down, come on down, come on down. Yeah. Red bar, stack it on the last. Every little tick, dropping kinda fast. Fade that bounce, kill that hopeful sound. One more flush, send it through the come on and Q. Let's ride it.
You wanted to trade with him this morning?
Show 'em how we got 'em. Take me lower, don't you dare stop now. Come on down, come on down, come on down, come on down. Come on down, down.
I get it though, Isaiah. See, you said you wanted to trade with him, and he's not here, so you came to me. So I know who's number one in your life. TC number 2, Mr. Twister says. Let's go. So the Vanna rally is a fast upward move in the stock market driven by falling fear and mechanical buying. It's what Mr. Twister was talking about earlier. So I agree with that. Greg's getting close to passing one of his evals, Isaiah. You know, he's never passed one. Mr. Twister says option related. Was that a push up to wick everybody out to then really get short? Yeah, he's getting there, Isaiah. I watch him every morning just for support. He needs to have a series where he does stocks probably. Just kind of holding up right here at the 28 100s. I don't know if I want to be short yet the way it keeps giving us those big green boner candles. But I want to be. I want to be. We got the hourly candle closing in a little over a minute.
like a courthouse door. All-time highs up ahead, but we wait for more. Hold that line, let it breathe. Cash that patience, then let
Yeah.
it leave.
Yeah, look at that push. That's why I didn't want to be short yet. And then I want to be long, but I don't want to buy long right here at the very top. So, but again, I haven't been on. Yeah, it was crazy yesterday. I mean, we had hundreds of points up, hundreds of points down. Asia wasn't too bad, I think. I don't know how Sinister and Nom and all them did yesterday, but I got you, Isaiah. That's what the chat's for, bro. There's the 150s.
Punishing those funded accounts, one clean step at a time. Bull flags and boots, ride it out. Bull flags and boots, wait it out. All-time high.
I think, Isaiah, I think Asia is really good for, you know, opening your paper account or having just a Asia eval and playing real small, trying to catch some of those moves, kind of watch the candles. Sometimes those EMAs don't mean anything in Asia, right? So yeah, New York is my jam too. Mark says we're getting to the 61.8 fib level from this week. Yeah, same for me, Isaiah. Same for me. I know exactly what you're fixing to say. There's that nice push. I hope somebody's riding that up. I hope Mr. Twister is. Yeah, I think get you a paper account and paper that thing, especially if you wanted to jump in with the boys in the Discord. Isaiah, we had a really nice fib class Tuesday. I can't remember what day it was, but we had a really nice fib class for Globex Open that Fish taught, teaching everybody about the fibs. And we ended up, I think I lost like $2,900 right after that with all the guys, and it took me almost all night to get it back. So. Here's the 170s. I know it, Roland. Where's our short at? Mr. Twister, let's go. 3 MNQ from 28K. Nice. Let's go. Ride that thing.
Tickers rolling like a freight train past, but I'm just watching, giving it time. Call my fast market.
Yeah, I agree.
That's a deal I made with you.
That's why I can't get, I don't know. I don't want to be short yet, and I don't want to be long yet, but there's the 180s.
Focus on the setup, like planting rows and trusting rain will come. Patience pays more than entries, like waiting on a harvest you can't rush. The chart is neutral, the trader must be too. Master yourself. Master the NQ.
Well, there's that nice push down for about 40 points. I missed that too. Sinister, good morning. Good morning.
Let the fear fade slow. Let the noise run thin. Calm hands on the mouse now. Just a plan and a time of day. If it comes around. If it don't, I still walk away. Detached from the outcome. Focus on the setup, like planting rows and trusting rain will come. patience pays more than entries, like waiting on a harvest you can't rush. The chart is neutral, the trader must be too. Master yourself, then master the NQ. Some folks want the glory before they learn the ground. I just read my story, and every tick up, every pull back down, detached from the
I want to shorten my fingers. Yeah, man. I wish I'd have caught it at the right at the top of that 180, but I was waiting for 200.
more than entries, like waiting on a harvest you can't rush. The chart is neutral, the trader must be too. Master yourself, then master the NQ.
Bounced right off the 9 again. Age was tough, but was able to finish 4 accounts. Let's go, Sinister. Had a nice turnout in Asia in the Discord. I noticed that. Man, I couldn't get home in time.
Sun's going down on the candles I wrote. Chart still burning from the
Mark said I'm over here waiting.
green run. Some lessons paid.
He hasn't blown any yet.
Tick wrote the moves I made. Had a runner that flew, had one that slipped. Got a little too heavy, had it one too quick. But I ain't done, now I'm still in the fight. Close the books, take a breath tonight. Yeah, the market don't care who you are. It'll humble you fast, leave a scar. But every loss got a lesson inside if you're willing to look. Now
Looks like Roland's going to try to go long at the 150s.
wins and the losses, yeah, they all leave proof. Balance the books, let the numbers speak. Find the strength in the habits you keep. Write it back tomorrow, no fear, no plea. Becoming the trader you
Just told my wife I'm going to stop trading Asian started to say, like, maybe I'll... I got you. Heck yeah, Isaiah. Perfect, wasn't it, Sinister? I had it drawn right there. I just got out too early. I took it when it finally broke, or right below it, like the third or fourth time it busted over it, and got 100 points out of it. But 100 points was 200 points ago.
swinging at every pitch. The ones you wait for that make you rich. Patience paid is the strongest hand. Not every move's meant to land. This is the Cowboy's law, real and raw. Every entry, every flaw I saw. Count the wins, but respect the cost. Grow
Why did I take the trade this morning? I mean, just straight momentum, right? We watched this patiently. This 50 held. I kept watching these kind of breaking above. This blue line I have here is just a bigger time frame bull flag that its last touch was all the way back here yesterday at 2 o'clock. And it broke out of it a couple times. And then this one candle closed above it. It was still red, but it closed above it. So when we had this wick down, I bought this as this wick back up and got it right in here in the 70s, 80 area. And then this one closed above and shot. So I stayed in the trade because of that. And I came up here and just targeted these 80s, which happened to also be 100 points. So I took one off at halfway and then another one off at the top. So just the breakout of a higher time bull flag.
sharpen the edge, refine the mind.
Trying a 2 MNQ short. I mean, I think we get a nice 100-point pullback now, right? Well, I guess that's already 100, but let's see how it acts here. But we could come all the way back to the 28s.
Let's go, let's ride.
With just a mini, yeah.
Screen is glowing, sun comes up, numbers going, little green flicker on the side.
I caught the same trade with 2 of my accounts with a mini, but I only captured 10 points because I have a ATM set just for 10 point because I'm trying to monitor several different accounts. But so that lower high while ago was the play.
Heartbeats fast, chart keeps climbing, every tick feels like timing. Gut says hold, but my hands say bye. Another breakout coming by. Push those candles, push it, Nasdaq, stack it higher, never look back. Let's go, let's ride. Yeah, push those candles.
We hit 185 earlier. That's where I had issues. Yeah. Mr. Twister's got a couple short right now.
They call it gambling.
There's a good rejection off that 9 right there.
One setup, one clean
Is he going to push
execution,
back up?
one funded account, away from changing everything. The trading cowboy. Every trader knows the feeling, staring at the screen at night, dreaming about the day one candle finally sends your life in flight. Bills stacked high on the counter, pressure heavy on your chest, telling yourself this next account might be the one that changes all the rest. Mama thinks I'm crazy, friends all think I'm broke, but they ain't seen a cowboy locked in with hope. 'Cause deep down every trader believes one full port move could set them free.
Wow, look at that push up.
I'm one full portrait from financial freedom, one clean runner from changing my life, one funded payout from telling my family we finally gonna be alright. If it ain't today, then saddle up and reload again. Use the trading cowboy code and take another shot, my friend. Ride the candles, rope the market. Cowboys never quit. the
Got to pull away. I want to be long right here.
Fade away from freedom.
28.30 is the targets. I love it. I mean, right there to the 50.
Some accounts get blown to pieces. Some trades humble you real fast. But every real trader knows this dream
I just get excited when I see all those.
that don't last.
So kind of my jam here, that red doji and then this green boner candle. This one retraced half and pushed up. That's the only thing I was looking at. But let's see.
Take control. Coffee black before the open. Charts glowing in the dark. Another chance of freedom. Another shot to leave a mark. Maybe this next funded account is the one.
We'll see if I have to start DCAing.
Next breakout
I don't know.
pays the bills.
I don't like how if I was trying to be long, I don't like how this one pushed down so far. So I think you're okay right now,
Family tree forever.
especially if we can get back through this 80 area.
Trade from financial freedom, one clean move from changing my name, one payout request from proving to everybody I wasn't crazy, chasing this game time. Most people quit too early, right before the move they were waiting for. The market rewards the cowboys.
If we get into the 200 EMA and hold out short, Sinister says Alan might be done. Green 939. It wasn't as hard as yesterday, right, Alan? Nice job. Nice job. Good trading. Just kind of holding up right here at the 28 100s.
We're gathered here, my friends, to lay one dream to rest. A shiny screen, a wild idea. I tried to do my best. Click that buy, then clicked it twice. Thought I'd ride it to the sky, but that margin call came knocking, tipped its hat and said goodbye. So raise your glass for my blown up futures account. It went
Heck yeah.
on a tiny little price amount. I was a trading cowboy till the red just wiped me out. Use code cowboy for your discount on a
Looks good for the downside.
account.
Let's see if that was a big enough push up for Mr. Twister.
Laid some flowers on the chart, 30 contracts deep. Stop was just a suggestion while I chased that losing streak. Now screenshots, war stories, laughing at the mess I made. But there's a fresh login waiting and a smarter plan to
Just
trade.
chopping too much. So that was a nice 400-point trend. Nom, I hope you caught it. I know Nom caught it. I don't know why. I don't even have to ask. Of course Nom caught it. Nom is Nom.
Till the red just wipe me out. Use code cowboy for your discount on a brand new account. Oh, yeah. May your losses rest in peace. May your lessons stick around. Tip your hat to every chart before you lay that money down. Yeah,
Of course Nom caught it.
for my blown up futures account, we bounce
Nom is Nom.
back. That's what this ride's about. Still a trading cowboy. Hear me laugh and sing it loud. Use code cowboy for your discount on a brand new account. Trading cowboy.
See what it does right here. Kind of wants to reject. My trail is break even. 150. I got you. Nice. I mean, the only thing I don't like is this is the third higher high, third lower, or higher low.
Comes up on the tick-tock road. Coffee in a
There you go. I like this break. I like this break. Come on down for Mr. Twister. Let's Bob Barker this.
trading cowboy laughs ain't my first rodeo. Gronky tone man's humming low at the bar.
Let's do this.
I watch them
Oh,
candles climb
that's a push.
like fence posts in a flood. Every
Move my trail down. Yeah.
talks a whole
Yeah, get a little bit of profit right here.
dust on my boots and a screen full of lies. Too many all-time
Yeah, Mark. Yeah, that previous 1 minute now, that's a nice wick on it.
with a grin that don't hold. Every green day feels heavy.
Okay, there's a lower high maybe.
Town so tip that cap now. Hear that market groan. Come on down, Bob. Come on down, Bob. Give us that pullback. Drop it low. Let it rock. The price is right.
Come on, give us that pullback.
Come on down. Come on down, Bob. I'm trading the NASDAQ like a card shark in a bar. Betting on a cold front under one hard star. If the rally keeps running, we're gonna wear thin. I need that clean old retrace. Let the weekend spin. We've been
Starting to like the long here a little bit.
along with a grin that don't hold. Every green day feels heavy when the whole town's sold. So tip that cap now. Hear that market groan. Come on down, Bob. Come on down, Bob. Give us that pullback. Drop it low. Let it rock. The price is right. Come on down. Come on down, Bob.
Oh, yeah, see, I like those. I like that candle.
Asking for ruin, just a better trail, a little room for the gamblers.
Wow, no pullback at all.
And in the sale,
I mean, we had a little pullback, but I mean, I really thought we needed a bigger one than that.
the fever break.
Trail stop 130, not enough.
Slow show.
We'll catch the next one for sure. We'll catch the next one.
Down, Bob. Come on down, Bob. Boots on the floor, screen lights glow.
What is this?
Like an open road, giddy up, let's go. Hey! I'm the trading cowboy, stocks are my thing. And Q on the dashboard, hear that bell ring. Bear flags, bull flags, I rope and I brand. This could be the best 8 seconds ever hit this land. Ride those candles, ride that run. Long into the highs, yeah, chase that sun. Short it to the lows when the tide starts to set. This could be the best 8 seconds, yeah. Yeehaw! I'm the trading cowboy. Giddy up, catch that momentum, boy. Charts look wild, I just grin. One more trade, let the rodeo begin. Yeehaw! Yeehaw!
Push through the lows, break through these EMAs. Take me lower, watch that screen go gray. Hey, whip those bulls, make the green lines drown. Push those candles,
Yeah, shove 'em down.
come on and Q, let's ride it to the bottom. Break that V.
I don't know if that's a big enough pullback nom to get that push through the 200s or not.
Don't you dare stop now. Come on down, 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 down. Come on down, come on down. Yeah. Red bar, stack it on the
I love this setup though. No wick on the bottom of this candle, but we pushed up, closed above the bull flag. We came back and kind of retested it. We didn't really touch it, and our EMA was down below it, so it looks like a little bit different setup now. But then we got that big push and we got that break. And then if you looked at the 30-second,
come on down, come on down, 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 down. Come on down.
it did the same thing, and then it had another little flag right here. And had that push. So Was the rest here before continuation thought? Kind of. The only time that I thought, okay, this is gonna be it, was when we had this big drop, right? We had these 2 red candles, and then we had this one, and it closed green, right? That's my setup, right? I want at least a minimum of 2 candles red, and I want each one to make a lower low. So this one technically didn't, because I'd want it to be below this candle's wick, and then this one was definitely below the previous, and then this one was below, but it closed green. So my entry should have been 110 with my stop below this candle at the 80s. But, and then right here, if that wasn't the setup, our next one, my next setup is a doji candle and then the green candle. So doji, big green candle, and then boom, we had a bigger green candle. So it gave me 2 opportunities. I caught it on Ninja for maybe 15 points, then it stopped it. I'm gonna have to have some help with that. I got in there on the second setup. Nice, Mark. I'm gonna have to figure out how to, there's a couple videos there, but only Nom could understand the videos, but maybe since I know Sinister could understand them too, but there's a couple of deals where I can hook another computer to Streamlabs, and that's what I need help figuring out next. That way I can show my Ninja screen sometimes. Plus 10 on number 5, warming up. Make sure you stretch first, Sinister. You don't want to pull anything. I mean, does this push up look very strong? It doesn't look like it's going to just push right through again. That's kind of my setup. You bull flag and you get another failed stab down and then go long. Yeah. Look at that. There's the 200s.
Ain't about swinging at every pitch. The ones you wait for that make you rich. Patience paid is the strongest hand. Not every move's meant to land. This is the Cowboy's law.
I mean, yeah. And this is the 30-second, but if you look, Mark, we had a bull flag here. We had one here. We had one here. And we had one here. And each one of them paid a little bit. About 30 points each one on a 30-second. There's the 240s now. That was a nice trail, Mr. Twister. That was a nice trail. Nice, Sugar Trader. Were you able to get a pretty good hit here? There you go. Heck yeah. Hey, that's an excellent comeback. Your long's paying rolling. Yeah, it is now, right? Yeah. If you could have held that drawdown, well, it would have stopped you though, right? Oh no, it wouldn't have stopped you because you were 48, wouldn't it? Oh, I don't know. I want to try the long right here, but that's a 30-second bull flag. Mark says this is not financial advice, but I think there may be a chance that we put in the high of the week today. Yeah. Yeah, I went back and looked at it, Roland. You're right. It wouldn't have stopped you. But why aren't you long? That's the question. You could have. You got a better entry even. Right, Mark? Yeah. Later on today, Mark. On the NQ show. Smash that like button for us, guys. Click that subscribe button. The more comments y'all comment, the better it is. Roland's out here. Man, I can't tell what it's going to do. That's a nice push back up. But Sinister plus 600 on the last one. Let's go. Pretty much done for the day. Sinister, you're going to need more accounts. Let's get that payout so we can increase this thing. We can't be done an hour into the market. You've only been here for like 4 minutes. All right, there's the push. Breaking out of the little bull flag on the 30-second. I'm not going to do anything. Got 2 more days. Nice. Let's go. There you go, H-Town. That a baby. H-Town said I'm with Sinister done, so I just need to use code CB on Legends. That's right. Let's go.
Cold on a dead slam glow. Boots on the floor, but I don't leave home. Watching that open like a rodeo gate. Every tick bucking like it's sealing my fate. Got scars from the summers.
Still trying to push right here.
Bears at the door, bulls acting like a child. They call me crazy, but I call it art and cute. Not for the faint of heart. Fearless in the face of the NASDAQ. Riding that screen like a wild Mustang. Volatility is my playground. I saddle that storm and I yank on the reins. I don't chase moves, I catch them. I wait in the weeds till the price comes to me. One shot, infinite possibilities. As country as it gets for a cowboy like me. Mama says, son, that ain't real land, but I'm staking out lines on a 5-minute span. Green, red candles like a ballroom fight. I'm calm as a preacher on a Saturday night. Got a stop like a holster tied to my side. Wrist small, aim tall, at the wrist alright. If it hits my level, I play my part in Q. Not for the faint of heart. Fearless in the face of the NASDAQ. Riding that screen like a
Yeah, that was a nice shout out, H-Town. Best one of today.
Maybe it's skill, maybe it's just stubborn will. But I'll be here till the closing bells dawn. Not for the faint of heart, fearless in the face of the NASDAQ, riding that screen like a wild Mustang. Volatility is my playground. I sat on that storm and I yank on the reins. I don't chase moves, I kiss them. I wait in the weeds till the price comes to me. One shot, infinite possibilities.
Commission, if not, I'm changing the code. H-Town, you don't even want to know what the commission is on those. The commission on Legends on those 50K accounts is like $3. So next time I see you, I'll buy you a Coke.
Yeah. Trading Cowboy back again. NQ candles moving. Accounts disappearing. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Rule number one, never size up emotional. Rule number two, don't trade irrational. Rule number three, respect your stop loss line.
Lock in, Sinister. You got to take those base hits. Slow it down a little bit. Size down a little bit. Nice job. The best part about the whole thing, Sinister, is we get to see you win, and we get to see it all right here, right? 1 to 3 micros max. I love it. Getting the push back up now. Come on.
There goes the account. Risk management tomorrow. That's not revenge trading. That's recovery. Just one more contract, that's what I said. Now I'm sweating bullets, staring at red. Told the chat I'm disciplined 5 minutes ago. Now praying to Jesus, watching NASDAQ go. The market give it, the market take it away. One green trade got me feeling like Buffett today. Then I
Sensei Nom gave you a good talking to too. Nice. Nice.
If I blow this funded, we don't talk about it.
We're just here to see you win, Sinister. That's all. We're just here to see you win.
Minutes later, account blown sideways. Risk management important, guys. That's what everybody says. Ride the candles. Survive the margin call. Funded by Friday, blown by Monday. The trading cowboy, giddy up. Coffee ring on the blotter. Sun ain't up yet, but I'm hunting for dollars. Hey! Got my hat tipped low, screen glow hitting my eyes. Little heat in my cheeks as the future starts to rise. Charts look like canyons, red dust on the line.
Same, Sinister. That's my goal. That's my goal too, brother. Yeah, we're gonna root for him even more now, right, Mr. Twister? Everyone gets a Lambo. When you pick mine up, though, don't take it out of the Hot Wheels package, though, okay? I want it just still in the package. And sign the top of it for me.
Same old song, one good runner, and I'm right back on. Push NASDAQ, push those candles green. Let's rip, let's ride, you know what I mean. Kick that open, widescreen saloon. Come on, we shout you hard to the moon. High speed horses on a fiber trail, clicking these trays like we're chasing tail. Push NASDAQ, push those candles green. Let's rip, let's ride, live the screen door train. Locked out, flat in the dust. But I saddle up at open, turn that fear into trust. When that trend line bends and the sky turns blue, I'm a cold red cowboy riding straight on through. Whoa. Hey, hold on, hey. Push NASDAQ, push those candles green. Let's rip, let's ride, you know what I mean. Kick that open, widescreen saloon. Hands up high, we howl at the moon. High speed horses on a fiber trail, clicking these trays like we're chasing tail. Push NASDAQ, push those candles green. Let's rip, let's ride to the closing bell screen.
Just tight, guys. Just tight. Are we gonna get another push right here?
Coffee cup ring on a legal path. Sun just climbing past the barn roof line. Ticker rolling like a freight train past, but I'm just watching, giving it time. Come mine,
Where are all the cars parked?
market, and that's the deal I made with you. I don't chase, I don't panic, just do what I came here to do. Detach from the outcome, focus on the setup, like planting rows and trusting rain will come. Patience pays more than entries, like waiting on a harvest you can't rush. The chart is neutral, the trader must be to master yourself, then master the NQ. Used to widen up.
Oh, you're okay, Nom. You're okay.
Heart on fire with every little
I need to automate the posting.
like I'm out on the back porch.
You manage your trades first, Nom. Manage your trades first.
Run thin. Calm hands on the mouse now.
But on the other side, Mark, we have 109 cars parked at 260 and 77 cars parked at 280. Mr. Twister says this 240 zone so far is a tough nut to crack. It is. There's finally a good push down. Missed it. I kept thinking we were going to get that big push up right there. We headed back down to the 140s now, back to the 50 EMA. See if we can come back up here and retest these EMAs and I'll get short. May not do it.
Before they learn the ground, I just read my story and every tick up.
Blasted through the 200. Yeah, I know it.
Detach from the outcome. Focus on the setup, like planting rows and trusting rain will come. Patient pays more.
Where's the EMA cross?
Like waiting on a harvest you can't rush. The chart is neutral. The trader must be to master yourself, then master the liquor screen, coffee gone cold, I still keen. Charts lined up like a cattle drive. I wrote that move, make the numbers fly. Red turns green in a blink, blink, blink. Heartbeats count down, don't even think. Fast hands dance on a worn-out mouse. This little desk is my glass-walled house. Ride the NASDAQ, hanging on tight. Master the momentum, lightning in the night. Sharp mind swing where the wild winds blow. Turning all that whiplash into solid gold. Trade the future on the moment under these neon halos. Precision in the chaos, yeah, that's how this cowboy rolls. Stop loss set like a safety rail. Big risk grin, I don't fear the fail. Storm blows in from the afternoon. I hear that bell, gotta move real soon. Tick by tick, feel the old world fade. New frontier in the move.
There's a big push up.
Lamp glow, midnight run. Chasing that break like a rising sun. Ride the NASDAQ, hanging
Got the rejection area.
momentum, lightning in the night. Sharp mind swing where the wild winds blow. Turning all that whiplash into solid gold. Trade the future on the moment under these neon halos. Precision in
Sinister plus 70. Let's go.
that's how this cowboy rolls. Some boys chase dust on an open plain. I chase that spike in a driving rain. Different saddle, same worn boots. I gamble my time on tomorrow's route. Oh yeah, ride the NASDAQ, hanging on tight. Master the
I
momentum.
bought the retest. I'm a crazy, yeah.
Swing where the wild winds blow.
I mean, that's what I wanted, right? I was just busy watching yours, but look, it came back up, retested the EMAs just like I told you I wanted.
Neon halos, precision in the chaos. Yeah, that's how this cowboy rolls. That's how this cowboy rolls.
Bitch just posted the IBH in the chat.
Screens light up, green, red like county fair.
Go check it out.
Got my watch list, got my plan. Ain't just throwing darts and hoping this time.
Yeah, I don't know. I haven't seen Benji.
Just cross a lane in, back deep,
Uh,
talking about a shift in the wind.
Got a new one, huh, Sinister?
Like a Friday crowd, ATR saying it's running wild now. I'm riding this chart like a back road line. Fibonacci on the
There's a push down to the 140s.
that climb.
There's no wick down all the way down to 123. That candle, that first candle that broke out of the bull flag.
Volatility dancing, and then the neon.
That 1021 candle.
RSI says run too far. Momentum oscillators humming like a truck in a yard. Pivot points marked like fence post signs. Trend line holding as a ticker flies.
I've seen it, Sinister.
15-minute candle.
I watched it from afar. We lost you for like a month.
Parade. VY sitting like a center stripe. Price comes back and it feels just right. Trend reversals whispering maybe. Inversion in my gut say easy. I ain't chasing every flash and flame. Just another small win in a big long riding this chart like a back road line. Fibonacci on the
First he starts throwing straight, no phone calls, no nothing. Oh, yep, yep.
wire tie. Volatility dancing in the neon night. RSI says run too far. Momentum oscillators humming like a truck in a yard. Pivot points marked like fence post signs. Trend line holding as a ticker flies. Could be red, could be green, it's alright. Wrist set tight, I can sleep at night. a big life. I'm riding this chart like a back road line. Fibonacci on the dash as I watch that climb. Bollinger Band like barbed wire tied.
I want to try a long right here, but I don't think that's the right move. Would this be, I don't know. Would this be a head and shoulders kind of? Here's our shoulder, here's our head. It did not got denied kind of right there where you'd want it to get denied at. Sinister says we're in a decent sized Pac-Man now.
Alarm bell ring, screens light up, green and red like county fair eyes. Got my watch.
Good call, good call.
My plan ain't just throwing darts and hoping this time. Moving averages cross a lane in. MACD talking about a shift in the wind. Volume jumping like a Friday crowd. ATR saying it's running wild now. I'm riding this chart like a back road line. Fibonacci on the dash as I watch that climb.
Here's the 120s. There's your hourly candle.
Sleep at night. Oh yeah. Just a farm kid reading candlesticks, turning little ticks into big life kicks. I'm riding this chart like a back road line. Fibonacci on the dash as I watch that climb. Bollinger Band like barbed wire tied.
There's 100.
Flies. Boots on the desk, coffee ring on the blotter. Sun ain't up yet, but I'm hunting for dollars. Got my head tipped low, screen glow hitting my eyes. Little heat in my cheeks as the future starts to rise.
It's kind of where we bounced earlier, right here at the 70s. Kind of where we came down and pushed. Not expecting it to hold, but let's see if we get a little push back up.
To the moon, high speed horses on a fiber trail, clicking
volume stampedes. You can feel it shake the ground. Oh yeah. Chat room talking like campfire talk at night. We're telling tales of a limit feels we barely survive. Win streaks, whipsaw. Same old song. One good runner and I'm right back.
I'm not sure we're gonna get a bounce. I just want to be in, Mark. I just want to. Yeah, look at that. Big push down.
Stopped out, locked out, flatten the dust, but I saddle up it open, turn that fear into trust. When that trend line bends and the sky turns blue, I'm a cold rig cowboy riding straight on through. Push NASDAQ, push those candles green, let's rip, let's
Yeah,
ride, you know
session
what I
mids is
mean.
29.5.
Street saloon, hands up high, we howl at the moon. High speed horses on a fiber trail, clicking these trades like we're chasing tail. Push NASDAQ, push those candles green, let's rip, let's ride till the closing bell scream. Whoa, 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 push through the highs, bust through these EMAs. Take me higher, I'm staring down the bears today. Beat these bears, push those candles, get up there. Hey, come on in, Q, giddy up. Let's ride it all the way to the top. Giddy up.
Coming up on the last 2 minutes on the hourly candle. Let's see if they try to push a little bit. Maybe just a little. I don't know, guys. Let's see.
We're gathered here, my friends, to lay one dream to rest. A shiny screen, a wild idea. I tried to do my best. Click that buy, then clicked it twice. Thought I'd ride it to the sky, but that margin call came knocking, tipped its hat and said goodbye. So raise your glass for my blown up futures account. It went fast on a tiny little price amount. I was a trading
Jose, good morning, Jose. The biggest, the largest. Jose.
cowboy for your discount on a brand new account. Laid some flowers on the chart, 30 contracts deep. Stop was just a suggestion while I chase that losing streak. Now screenshots, war stories, laughing at the mess I made. But there's a fresh login waiting and a smarter plan to trade. So raise your glass.
No, I'm still showing some more contracts down below the 20 area. Unless they pull those.
I was a trading cowboy till the red just wiped me.
Let's go, Sinister. Come on.
Cowboy for your discount on a brand new account. May your losses rest in peace. May your lessons stick around. Tip your hat to every chart before you lay that money down.
I'm going to try right here. Just got in on that rejection. Stops above the 50 EMA right now, and I'm looking for the 200 EMA. Same thing right here. Your stop could be above the, we could say 28,100. We had two green candles. We had a red one that wicked through, closed red, Now we're looking for that push down. So stop is at 28 100s area roughly. And I'm looking for it to break this. I'll go break even now. There's 200 bucks. Want a little bit more. I'm gonna guarantee myself half. Well, here's what we'll do. We'll take one off. Oh, there you retard. Alright, we're in 3 now. We didn't take one off, we added one. We're gonna see if this ad works.
They call it gambling. I call it one trade away. One setup.
All right, I'm gonna take one off there
One
now.
clean execution.
Still break even.
One funded account. Away from changing everything. The trading cowboy. The trading cowboy. Yeah, 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 yeah. Every trader knows a feeling. Staring at the screen at night. Dreaming about the day one candle. Find a sense your life in flight. Bills stack high on the
Turn on the stop loss update. Let me alright, flat there. Let me tell me what to do again, Sinister. Let me swap screens. You go to settings. Settings, tab, the second option down.
I'm one full portrait from financial freedom. One clean runner from changing my life. One funded payout from telling my family we're finally gonna be alright. If it ain't today, then saddle up and reload again. Use the trading cowboy code and take another shot, my friend. Ride the candles, rope the market. Cowboys never quit the fight. One trade away from freedom, maybe tonight. Some accounts get blown to pieces. Some trades humble you real fast. But every real trader knows this dream ain't built for quitters that don't last. I done watched red days break men. Seen revenge trading steal souls. But the ones who keep on showing up eventually take control. Coffee black before the open charts, glowing in the dark. Another chance at freedom, another shot to leave a mark. Maybe this next funded account is the one. Maybe this next breakout pays the bills. Maybe this next runner changes your family tree forever. I'm one full portrait from financial freedom.
I guess there's no save button or nothing, so it should be working now. I finally, I got it. Finally. Let me switch back now. I think I got it. Why would they have that turned off?
Most people quit too early. Right before the
Yeah, I didn't realize it was that one there. I kept doing the chart one, and
the market rewards the
I finally found it. It was right where you said it was.
who keep riding. Giddy up.
Isaiah.
Sun comes up on the tick-tock road. Coffee in a thermos, boots loose on the floor. Zero dawn nodding in that busted old hat says, boy, this open's what we came here for. Trading cowboy laughs ain't my first rodeo. Gronky tone man's humming low at the bar. Guitar guy yourself picks a deal in tune while Charles drives charts like
Here's the
a
nifty
dusty old
50.
car. We're trader riding NASDAQ together in this wild screen rodeo.
I don't know, Isaiah. I don't know.
R&B weather, a new jack swing in his
I mean, I'm not in one long enough for you to call and take the time to do that, but
don't let go. Yeah, trader riding NASDAQ together where the green candles grow. Driving up, session taps his ring on the desk, says one more pullback, then I'm done. Yeah, Marco singing sweet like a backroom choir while the spread runs off with everyone. Good news whispers like a back porch breeze, bad ticks bite like a barbed wire fence. We tip our hats to the ones still holding every loss, every win, every cent. We're trader riding NASDAQ together in this flickering cattle drive show. Marco's got that R&B weather, new jack swing in his flow. Oh yeah, Terminator smiles, here comes the good news. Through the chop we still all roll. Yeah, trader riding NASDAQ together where the green candles grow.
might have to be showing something else. Oh, okay. I mean, who do you call? Maybe if it was a live account.
Yeah, trader riding NASDAQ together in this wild screen rodeo. Marco's got that R&B weather, new jack swing in.
They would need a password also, Mr. Twister says.
Here comes the good news through the chop, we still all roll. Yeah, trader riding NASDAQ together where the green candles grow.
My biggest deal is sometimes when I open a new window or something, I never know what screen it's going to show up on, right? Yeah, yeah. Oh, he was nervous about that for a while.
For the opening bell, screen glow on my face. Got lines drawn all over that chart like a road map to someplace. Red, green, flickering fight, candles dancing in a row. I've been studying this storm all night, just waiting for it to blow. I'm just trading my heart on a Friday.
All right, let's see if this is going to be the little inversion.
On a little uptick. Yeah, I'm counting on us like a break.
Look at that. Nice push.
Hoping this run's gonna really stick. If love's just numbers and faith in the plan, then baby, you're my favorite trade I ever ran. Win or lose, I keep coming back to you. Trading my heart, that's what I do.
The nifty 50, Alan, you're not wrong. Man, I thought when it pushed above it, though, it worried me a little bit. It rejected the first time perfectly, but we made a higher high there. I don't know. Look at that push down now. 50 to gold play, Sinister says. Can they hold us right here? Do we just take the short? I'm gonna try. I'm gonna start with just one. I wanted to start with one just so I could add into it and see if it updates for me, but
Nobody talks about the emotions. Everybody posts the wins.
is that all they got us? There's 20 points.
Posts the nights they sat there, questioning if they're built for this. Yeah. This one's for the traitors fighting battles nobody sees. The trading cowboy. Giddy up. Some mornings I wake up confident, charts look crystal clear. Next thing you know, one bad trade, and now I'm fighting fear. Heart racing at the open bell, hands shaking on the mouse. One red candle changes everything, silence fills the house. You ever stare at your account and feel your whole chest sink?
Not gonna let me add.
Wonder how one little clip
I'm gonna set my stop at the top of that candle now, back in the green.
to the brink. Nobody sees the pressure. Nobody
What are those 980s? They front run it a little bit. See if we can go tag the 200.
day trading futures messes with your soul. 1 minute you're high, next minute you lose control. Green days got you feeling like the king of the town. Red days got you wondering if you're breaking down. But every scar, every loss, every tear in the night builds the cowboy that keeps showing up to fight. There's fear when you pull the trigger, fear when you let it run, fear when you cut
Come on.
too early, fear when the move ain't done. Greed whispers one more trade, ego says size up now. Then revenge starts calling your name, and suddenly you forgot how to stay disciplined, how to trust your plan.
This may be it right here. It's trying not to break. It's trying to keep this higher low.
Some nights I sit in silence, replay every trade I made, thinking maybe this market just ain't the path I'm made for anyway. But then the sun comes up again.
Okay, let's go. Come on.
Coffee pours,
Keep pushing down.
charts load, and something inside says, one more ride, cowboy. Day trading futures messes with your soul. 1 minute you're high, next minute you lose control. Green days got you feeling like the king of the town. Red days got you wondering if you're breaking
Maybe it right there. See how it wicked through that low, hit some stops. Let's see.
The strongest traders ain't emotionless. They just learn how to keep moving while feeling everything. That's the difference. Ride the candles, rope the market, and keep showing up.
All right, stopped out right there.
The trading cowboy. Giddy up.
Let's see if she pushes now. The better.
Yeah. The trading cowboy back again. NQ candles moving. Accounts disappearing. Giddy up.
The 868 extension, when 50% holds extension, is a good target.
Rule number 1, never size up emotional. Rule number 2, don't trade irrational. Rule number 3, respect your stop loss line.
Let's see if it rejects right here.
By 9:05, coffee black, heart racing, market open, palm shaking. Told myself today we trade clean. 5 minutes later, revenge trading. Every chart looks bullish when you need a win. That ain't a setup cowboy, that's emotional sin. I got rules of privacy.
It should reject right here and go down, right? Because it already stopped me out.
Blow clean through moving. Stops farther every single time, saying it'll bounce. While the account flatlines, I trade revenge like it's part of the plan. Over leverage with shaky hands. Mama said, boy, you should probably stop. But the NQ candles just don't quit. Giddy up. There goes the account. Risk management tomorrow. That's not revenge trading. That's recovery. Just one more contract, that's what I said. Now I'm sweating bullets, staring at red. Told the chat I'm disciplined 5 minutes ago. Now I'm praying to Jesus, watching NASDAQ go. The market give it, the market take it away. One green trade got me feeling like Buffett today. Then I sized up crazy, thought I couldn't lose.
I'm gonna try
Now I'm
again.
eating ramen noodles, singing funded account blues. If I don't close the trade, did I really lose? If I hide the P&L, can't nobody see the bruise. If I pass this evil, I'm basically Warren Buffett. If I blow this funded, we don't talk about it. I got rules I probably shouldn't use, like moving stops and watching candles new. Diamond hands on the table.
Are we just gonna be chopping?
Everybody, it's just a pullback phase. I keep buying dips that never bounce. Turn small losses into large amounts. Cowboys don't cry when the charts go south. We just mute the mic and walk around the house. Minutes later, account blown sideways. Risk management important, guys.
I am looking to add, mainly just to see if my
Ride the candles.
TP and stuff is gonna update. Let's see.
By Friday, gone by Monday. You're trading cowboy, giddy up. Giddy up.
The suspense is killing me. Smash that like button, guys. Click that subscribe button. I'm gonna add right there. Hey, it worked. It updated, Sinister. I shouldn't have added, but it worked. Added at the 50.
May you listen, stick around. Tip your hat to every chart before you lay that money down. Yeah, raise your glass for my blown up futures.
Might be a big range. I agree, Alan. I agree. $5-minute, we had that big red candle. This one retraced half, pushed down a little. It looked nice. 15-minute candle. Looks a little better.
Coffee cup ring on a legal pad.
1 hour could be a bull flag.
Past the barn roof line. Tickers rolling like a freight train past. But I'm just watching, giving it time. Calm mind, fast market.
I'm gonna take one off right there. Maybe take another one off at the bottom. Maybe at the 20s.
Detach from the outcome. Focus on the setup. Like planting rows and trusting rain will come. Patience pays more than entries. Like waiting on a harvest you can't rush.
Sinister, why didn't you make me update that a long time ago, that contract update? It's so much easier just to add in and out with the buttons. I'm gonna take another one off right there just to make sure.
Used to white knuckle every red line. Heart on fire with every little tick. Now I breathe like I'm out on the back porch swing. Let the fear fade slow. Let the noise run thin. Calm hands on the mouse now. Just a plan and a time of day. If it comes around. If it don't, I still walk away. Detach from the outcome.
You can't modify it though. Did you notice that? If you try to just take one off right there, it takes it back to 2. Huh. What if I bring another one down? Can I bring another one down and change it? Nope. that would be nice.
Every pull back down. Detach from the outcome. Focus on the setup. Like planting rows and trusting rain will come. Patience pays more than entries. Like waiting on a harvest you can't rush.
Really, I don't care if they see the P&L.
Trader must be too. Master yourself. Then master the
Got a fly in here. I'm going to drop this down and I'm going to take one off right there manually. So now I've got one left. And I'm just going to start trailing it and see how low it can go. See if it bounces off the 200 or see if we can hit that 960s. What a bounce. Wow. Okay, I'm glad I took one off. All right, out right there. We're up 705 now on this account. Oh, now it's going to come right back down. Classic. Sugar Trader rejected on the ORB high. I haven't even been paying attention to that. $8.92. 27. Oh, it's gonna come all the way back down now. They took those contracts at that 28.20 that Nom had on there. Got sucked out there.
Them candles climb like fence posts in a flood. Every hedge fund cowboy talks a whole lot of blood. I got dust on my boots and a screen full of lies. Too many all-time highs got us rolling our eyes. We've been riding this ridge too long with a grin that don't hold. Every green day feels heavy when the whole town's sold. So tip that cap now, hear that market groan. Come on down, Bob. Come on down, Bob. Give us that pullback. Drop it low, let it rock. The price is right. Come on down. Come on down, Bob.
By the way, if anyone is wondering,
I'm treating the NASDAQ like a card shark in a bar. Betting on a cold front.
you're leaving us on the edge.
One hard start.
No, you cannot flatten or control someone else's trading by their account number. Nice.
Let the weekend spin. We've been riding this ridge too long with a grin that don't hold. Every green day feels heavy when the whole town's so tipsy.
Smash that like button for us, guys. Click that subscribe button.
That market grown. Come on down, Bob. Come on down, Bob.
Mr. Twister, what? Up 18.29, done for the day. We'll try to pop in during power hour. Nice job, Mr. Twister. Thanks for hanging out with us. Go water that horse. Let's go. Nice job.
Come on down, Bob.
Sugar trader.
Asking for ruin, just a better trail, a little room for
You bet minis were kind today, following the trend. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Nice job. Nice work.
and the fever breaks out by that dip with a slow show shake. Come on down, Bob.
It's hard for me to control a couple different accounts, but I've taken the exact same trades on every screen. So this one on the screen, I'm up 705, and then I'm up 640, 585, and then 105. So you can see kind of the difference in trying to enter at the same time. Jose's back in the house. How's your day been going, Jose? Click that like button for us, Jose.
Thumbs up on the tick chart glow. Coffee and a thermos, boots on the floor. Zero dawn nodding in that busted old hat says, boy, this opens what we came here for.
So, Mr. Twister, I've got Ninja Trader and I've got Replicanto. If any of y'all have Replicanto, we partnered with them yesterday. If you use the code TheTradingCowboy, you'll save 20%,
Like a dusty old car.
which is bad because I didn't get to use my code, but I did save 20%.
Together in this wild screen rodeo.
But I do have all that set up, but it's on my Windows computer.
Jack swing in his soul. Terminator
And all my live stream stuff is on a Mac, so
trader riding NASDAQ together.
that's where I'm at. I either need to figure out if I can run 5 monitors on my Windows computer and switch it all over, or I've seen a couple deals where you could window share. A lot of gamers do it, I think, which Sinister probably knows about, or maybe Nick. But I could window share my Windows computer to Streamlabs, maybe. But I am copy trading on it. I love how easy it is to copy trade on Ninja Trader with that, because I can just click on a couple accounts and go. But other than that, I'm using Trading Things, Trade-Of-8, and then the Ninja. So
together in this flickering cattle drive show. Marco's got that on B with a new jack swing in his flow. Oh yeah.
but it is super cool. Like yesterday, I was able to trade Lucid, Legends, Tradeify, and Take Profit Trader all on the same thing.
Back together where the green can
I know, yeah, they are cats and dogs for sure. If I could at least share the window, though, which I know, like I said, I know several gamers that do that. They usually game on one computer and then stream on the other one for speed, but I'll lean on my trusty computer friends one day for that. But I am getting used to Ninja.
Coffee gone cold on a desk lamp glow. Boots on the floor, but I don't leave home. Watching that open like a rodeo gate. Every tick bucking like a seal in my face. Got scars from the summers the rally ran wild. Bears at the door, bulls acting like a child.
Looked like that was gonna pop right there. Instantly rejected.
Not for the faint of heart. Fearless in the face of the NASDAQ, riding that screen like a wild Mustang. Volatility is my playground. I saddle that storm and I yank on the reins. I don't chase moves, I can't set my weight in the weeds till the price comes to me. One shot, infinite possibilities. As country as it gets for a cowboy like me. Mama says, son, that ain't real land, but I'm staking out lines on a 5-minute span. Green, red candles like a ballroom fight. I'm calm as a preacher on a Saturday.
It is Kisly. It is the 21.
Holster tight in my side, wrist small, aim tall, let the rest all right. If it hits my level, I play my part in Q, not for the faint of heart. Fearless in the face of the NASDAQ, riding that screen like a wild Mustang. Volatility is my playground. I saddle that storm and I yank on the reins. I don't chase moves, I can't set my weight in the weeds till the price comes to me. One shot, infinite possibilities. As country as it
I threw it on here a couple weeks ago on this one. Whenever I think it was actually already on here when I opened the chart deal, but we had a couple days where it followed the 21 instead of the 14. And if you go back, well, I don't want you to go back and look because some of those first streams were terrible. But if you go back to my first month or two of streaming, actually all I used was the 21 EMA. I didn't use the 914 or anything like that. Literally just the 21. So the only time I really use it now, even, I don't like how it's all in here now, but when they're spread real far apart, like earlier, I like using it to say, okay, we're going to come down and bounce off of it. Like we did right here. We came down, tagged it, we broke right through it, but one of those things as a trader, I guess, though, right? Where you start with everything, you go to nothing, add everything back, go back to nothing.
flags on the pullback, we ride it back in.
I mean, if you look at my other one, if you look at my trade of 8,
Courthouse door, all
it's just the 9 and 14, no 21.
hold that line, let it breathe. Cash that patience, then let it leave. Bull flags and boots, ride it out. Bull flags and boots, wait it out. All time high,
I don't know. It's all different.
pullback now. Bull flags and boots.
What are you using, Kislaya? I mean, the 9 and 14 is what I use mainly for my crossovers. So.
Zero dawn, the sheriff keeps the whole town moving. H-town, the deputy Pam with her map and knowledge.
This is trading things, which is kind of trade of 8. It's or not trade of 8. It's trading view charts. but it's kind of like Trade C on Lucid. It's the same thing. You can hook just about any prop firm to it that allows rhythmic. But it's tradingthings.io. I haven't had any problems with it. They're totally free. You can check it out. But if you need something to run any kind of rhythmic, Sinister, have you ran Top Step on it? Seems like somewhere I saw that you could. Been using the 9, 14, and 32. Okay. And low it forms like a channel. Okay. I've got Legends, Bull Knox, and Lucid hooked to it. Just in the rhythmic. I'm trying to switch to Ninja Trader, and I've told this story before, but I'm trying to switch over to Ninja Trader. I like it a lot. I love the copy trader stuff. So I use trading things for Bull Knox because you can't trade it, Trade-Evade or anything. So I got it, started using it with it, and then I switched to Ninja, and Nam was able to help me get Bull Knox set up with Ninja. So I bought a couple other rhythmics. I bought a Lucid rhythmic and a couple Legends rhythmic, thinking that I could just, that's how you put them into Ninja. Well, you don't do that. You can only have one rhythmic at a time hooked to it. Maybe it's just under the standard. So I have my Bull Knox hooked to it right now, so I'm using trading things to trade those other ones. So if you're not used to Ninja Trader, I didn't realize you just buy the Trade-Evade accounts and then you can hook as many as you want to it. So this last says it helps me keep away from choppy markets. And right now it's probably showing choppy, huh? Oh yeah, if it is stuck in the channel, it's choppy. Look at that push. Last minute on this 15-minute candle.
Cowboy's prize. Gate clangs loud and the field explodes. Hoof beats drum like a ticker load. I'm long on hope, short on fear. He yells, ride smart, that payoff's near. Past the infield crowd starts to roar, charting each turn like a candle board. I see his grin at the final bend. Lock it in, kid, let it run to the end. We're racing the futures, neck
Guys, give me just a second. I'm going to run downstairs and grab a drink. I'll be right back.
in our teeth, numbers in our eyes. First to that rail takes the trading Cowboys prize. Yeah, racing the futures, holding tight, bidding on daylight, riding through the night. Win by nose or a wild long slide for that trading Cowboys prize.
one trade away. One setup, one clean execution, one funded account, away from changing everything. The trading cowboy. Every trader knows the feeling, staring at the screen at night, dreaming about the day one candle finally sends your life in flight. Bills stacked high on the counter, pressure heavy on your chest, telling yourself this next account might be the one that changes all the rest. Mama thinks I'm crazy, friends all think I'm broke, but they ain't seen a cowboy locked in with hope. 'Cause deep down every trader believes one full port move could set them free. I'm one full portrait from financial freedom, one clean runner from changing my life, one funded payout from telling my family we finally gonna be alright. If it ain't today, then saddle up and reload again. Use the trading cowboy code and take another shot, my friend. Ride the candles, rope the market, cowboys never quit the fight. One trade away from freedom, maybe tonight. Some accounts get blown to pieces, some trades humble you real fast, but every real trader knows this dream ain't built for quitters that don't last. I've watched red days break men, seen revenge trade and steal souls, but the ones that keep on showing up eventually take control. Coffee black before the open, charts glowing in the dark. Another chance of freedom, another shot to leave a mark. Maybe this next funded account is the one. Maybe this next breakout pays the bills. Maybe this next runner changes your family tree forever. I'm one full portrait from financial freedom, one clean move from changing my name, one payout request from proving to everybody I wasn't crazy chasing this game. And if today ain't the day, cowboy, don't let the dream die. Reload, refocus, ride again. Use the trading cowboy code and let's saddle up one more time. Most people quit too early, right before the move they were waiting for. The market rewards the cowboys who keep riding. Giddy up. Giddy up. Yeah. Yeah, the Cowboys are lost. Yeah. Sun's going down on the candles I rolled. Chalk still burning from the paths I chose. Some green runs, some lessons paid. Every tick wrote the moves I made. Had a runner that flew, had one that slipped. Got a little too heavy, had it one too quick. But I ain't done, I'm still in the fight. Close the books, take a breath tonight. Yeah, the market don't care who you are. It'll humble you fast, leave a scar. But every loss got a lesson inside if you're willing to look. Not high, this is the Cowboys' law. Write it down in truth. Wins and the losses, yeah, they all leave proof. Balance the books, let the numbers speak. Find the strength in the habits you keep. Write it back tomorrow, no fear, no plea. Becoming the trader you said you'd be. One trade at a time, one step each day. From the red to the green, we find our way. Funded accounts and evils in place. Some hit targets, some slipped away. Took that A+, yeah, that clean setup, then chased one late and paid too much. Felt that pressure creeping in close, trying to force trades just to hit that goal. But I see it now, gotta slow that pace. Discipline's the edge in this race I chase. Ain't about swinging at every pitch, it's the ones you wait for that make you rich. Patience paid is the strongest hand, not every move's meant to land. This is the Cowboys' law, real and raw. Every entry, every flaw I saw. Count the wins, but respect the cost. Growth build more from what you lost. Saddle up tomorrow, clear eyes to see. Becoming the trader you said you'd be. Stay the course, don't chase the flame. Consistency's the name of the game, yeah. Slow it down, lock it in. Discipline over trying to win. Not every day's a payout ride, but every day's a step inside the trader you're building. Brick by brick, not by love, but how you stick. This is the Cowboys' log, end of the day. Truth in the numbers, no running away. Mindset, reset, get ready to ride. Leave that ego off to the side. Tomorrow's come, another chance to see. Becoming the trader you said you'd be. From the saddle to the screen we grind. Sharpen the edge, refine the mind. Refine the mind.
Coffee on, screen glowing blue. Alarm rang twice, beat the market too. Yellow legal pad full of scribbled lines. Got a rule for the risk and a rule for the grind. Ain't chasing tickers like a rodeo clown. I mark my level, then I stand my ground. Plan the trade, trade the plan. That's my Bible in my hands. Oh yeah, discipline's the only thrill I trust. Consistency beats the rush. Risk them first, then I roll. Let the profits chase my soul. Data in my head like a Sunday hymn. I get NASDAQ level results from a honky-tonk discipline. Buddy's on the phone, man, it's running hop in. I just sip slow, let the chart breathe again. Tiny little edge like a nail in a fence. Hold it every single day, that's what makes a ranch. I ain't that cowboy with the last second bet. I'm stacking small wins like a farmer's shed. Plan the trade, trade the plan. That's my Bible in my hand. Sing it out. Discipline's the only thrill I trust. Consistency beats the rush. like a Sunday hymn. I get NASDAQ level results from a honky-tonk discipline. Some folks pray for luck, I pray to keep my rules. Lord, save me from that FOMO and them late night fools. My edge ain't a secret, it's how I walk each day. Hard like a preacher, hands like a Texas day trade. Plan to trade the plan, that's my Bible in my hand. Discipline's the only thrill I trust. That's all. Consistency beats the rush. Risk 'em first, then I roll, let the profits chase my soul. Data in my head like a Sunday hymn. I get NASDAQ level results. That's all. From a honky-tonk discipline. Discipline. Yeah, my edge is my process. My profits in the proof. Little cowboy of the NASDAQ, singing risk and truth.
I woke up mean and broke, coffee charts and smoke. Bulls got me by the throat, then I broke my own oath. Took a little scalp, turned it into a yelp. Thought I knew the market well, ended up in trading hell. Evil on a Tuesday, heart in a boot tray. Stared at that red screen like, well, that ain't my payday. Trying to get funded by Friday, blowing nibbles on a Tuesday. Swore I'd cut that loser quick, then I averaged down halfway. Trying to get funded by Friday. I got a drawdown grin and a stubborn thing for sin. Kept saying one more win while the margin closed me in. Bought that dip like a fool, left the edge of my own stool. Lost again in a blank, now the whole porch knows I stink. Evil on a Tuesday, dust on my boots, babe. I told my buddy, watch this, then the candle turned traitor. Trying to get funded by Friday, blowing evils on a Tuesday. Swore I'd cut that loser quick, then I averaged down halfway. Trying to get funded by Friday. Mama said, boy, slow down, but I heard free money sound. Now I'm staring at the screen like a raccoon in a tin can. Got a plan and a prayer and a stop loss somewhere. Still I click with cowboy pride while my account goes south side. Trying to get funded by Friday, blowing evils on a Tuesday. Swore I'd cut that loser quick, then I averaged down halfway. Trying to get funded by Friday. If I make it, I'll buy the bar. If I don't, I'll play guitar. Same old cowboy, same old plight. Maybe next week I'll get it right. Hey! Woo!
Let's go, let's ride. Coffee on, screen is glowing. Sun comes up, numbers going. Little green flicker
Nice push back up.
Nobody talks about the emotions. Everybody posts the
Next
wins.
target 201, Fish says.
Nobody posts the nights they sat there, questioning if they're built for this. Yeah. This one's for the traitors fighting battles nobody sees. The trading cowboy. Giddy up. Some mornings I wake up confident, charts look crystal clear. Next thing you know, one bad trade, and now I'm fighting fear. Heart racing at the open bell, hands shaking on the mouse. One red candle changes everything, silence fills the house. You ever stare at your account and feel your whole chest sink? Wonder how one little click can push you to the brink. Nobody sees the pressure, nobody feels that pain. Everybody loves the profit, nobody loves the rain. Day trading futures messes with your soul. 1 minute you're high, next minute you lose control. Green days got you feeling like the king of the town. Red days got you wondering if you're breaking down. But every scar, every loss, every tear in the night builds the cowboy that keeps showing up to fight. There's fear when you pull the trigger, fear when you let it run, fear when you cut too early, fear when the move ain't.
Breaking over that bull flag. Can we hold it?
Whispers one more trade, ego says size up now. Then revenge starts calling your name, and suddenly you forgot how to stay disciplined, how to trust your plan, how to trade like a professional instead of an emotional man. Some nights I sit in silence, replay every trade I made, thinking maybe this market just ain't the path I'm made for anyway. But then the sun comes up again, coffee pours, charts load, and something inside says,
Nice push off that bull flag break.
Cowboy. Day trading futures.
I'm riding with you, Fish. I'm in at 150s. I'm going to take half off at 175.
Next minute you lose control. Green days got you feeling like the king of the town. Red days got you wondering if you're breaking down. But every scar, every loss, every tear in the night builds the cowboy that keeps
I got mine at what, 192. I don't know why.
The strongest traders ain't emotionless.
I was really front running
They
it.
just learn how to keep moving while feeling everything. That's the difference. Ride the candles, rope the market, and keep showing.
All right, there's half. I took one off.
The trading cowboy. Giddy up. Push through the highs, bust through these emails. Take me higher. I'm staring down the bears today. Beat these
Stops at 165.
The Cowboy law. Yeah, the Cowboy's law. Yeah. Sun's going down on the candles I rolled. Chalk still burning from the paths I chose. Some green rum, some lessons paid. Every tick wrote the moves I made. Had a
Are you
run
serious?
that flew, had one that slipped. Got a little
Come on, right here.
had it one too quick, but I ain't done, now I'm still.
2.5 ticks for my TP.
Close the books, take a
Looking for
breath.
192s.
Yeah, the market don't care who you are. It'll humble you fast, leave a scar. But every loss got a lesson inside if you're willing to look. Not high, this is the Cowboy's law. Write it down in truth. Wins and the losses, yeah, they all leave proof. Balance the books, let the numbers speak. Find the strength in the habits you keep. Write it back tomorrow, no fear, no plea. Becoming the trader you said you'd be. One trade at a time, one step each day. From the red to the green, we find our way. Funded accounts and evils in place. Some hit targets, some slipped away. Took that A plus, yeah, that clean setup, then chased one late and paid too much. Felt that pressure creeping in close, trying to force trades just to hit that goal. But I see it now, gotta slow that pace. Discipline's the edge in this race I chase. Ain't about swinging at every pitch. It's the ones you wait for that make you rich. Patience paid is the strongest hand. Not every move's meant to land. This is the Cowboy's law, real and raw. Every entry, every flaw I saw. Count the wins, but respect.
I'm going to move it to 95. Stops at 170 now.
Saddle up tomorrow, clear eyes to see. Becoming the trader you said you'd be. Stay the course, don't chase the flame. Consistency's the name of the game. Yeah, slow it down, lock it in. Discipline over trying to win. Not every day's a payout ride, but every day's a step inside the trader you're building, brick by brick. Not by love, but how you stick. This is the Cowboy's log, end of the day. Truth in the numbers, no running away. Mindset reset, get ready to ride. Leave that ego off to the side. Tomorrow's come, another chance to see. Becoming the trader you said you'd be. From the saddle to the screen we grind, sharpen the edge, refine the mind, refine the mind. Up before the opening bell, screen glow on my face. Got lines drawn all over that chart like a road map to someplace. Red, green, flickering fight, candles dancing in a row. I've been studying this storm all night, just waiting for it to blow. I'm just trading my heart on a Friday, risking it all on a little uptick. Yeah, I'm
Oh, there's my original TP.
just like a breakout, hoping this run's gonna really stick. If love's just numbers and faith in the plan, then baby, you're my favorite trade I ever ran. Win or lose, I keep coming back to
Stops at 80 now.
like a breakout. Hoping this run's gonna really stick. If love's just numbers and faith in the plan, then baby you're my favorite trade I ever ran. Win or lose, I keep
I'm out.
coming back to
Out at the 80s on the last one.
my heart. That's what I do. Some days I'm up, some days I'm down. Fear and hope spinning me around. But you're that steady line through the wild. You turn this gambler into a child. Oh, you do.
All right, let's see if we can catch one on here now.
Trading my heart on a Friday. Risking it all on a little uptick. Yeah, I'm counting on us like a breakout. Hoping this run's gonna really stick. If love's just numbers and faith in the plan, baby, you're my favorite trade I ever ran. Win or lose, I keep coming back to you. Trading my heart, that's what I do. Coffee gone cold on a desk lamp glow. Boots on the floor, but I don't leave home. Watching that open like a rodeo gate. Every tick bucking like a seal in my face. Got scars from the summers the rally ran wild. Bears at the door, bulls acting like a child. They call me crazy, but I call it art and cute. Not for the faint of heart. Fearless in the face of the NASDAQ, riding that screen like a wild Mustang. Volatility is my playground. I saddle that storm and I yank on the reins. I don't chase moves, I can't set my weight in the weeds till the price comes to me. One shot, infinite possibilities. That's country as it gets for a cowboy like me. Mama says, son, that ain't real land, but I'm staking out lines on a 5-minute span. Green, red candles like a ballroom fight. I'm calm as a preacher on a Saturday night. Gotta stop like a holster tied in my side. Wrist small, aim tall, let the rest all right. If it hits my level, I play my part in Q. Not for the faint of heart. Fearless in the face of the NASDAQ, riding that screen like a wild Mustang. Volatility is my playground. I saddle that storm and I yank on the reins. I don't chase moves, I catch them. I wait in the weeds till the price comes to me. One shot, infinite possibilities.
See if this 21 holds right here.
As it gets for a cowboy like me. Maybe it's love, maybe it's skill, maybe it's just stubborn will. But I'll be here till the closing bells dog.
Pretty good push down right here.
Not for the faint of heart. Fearless in the face of the NASDAQ, riding that screen like a wild Mustang. Volatility is my playground. I saddle that storm and I yank on the reins. I don't chase moves, I catch them. I wait in the weeds till the price comes to me. One shot, infinite possibilities. Hardcore country in this day trade to see.
Yeah. Trading Cowboy back again. NQ candles moving. Accounts disappearing. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Rule number one, never size up emotional. Rule number two, don't trade irrational. Rule number three, respect your stop loss line. Broke all three by 9:05. Coffee black, heart racing. Market open, palm shaking. Told myself today.
1 minute, those EMAs are curling pretty hard.
Revenge trading. Every chart looks bullish when you need a win. That ain't a setup, cowboy, that's emotional sin. I got rules I probably shouldn't use, like averaging down till I blow clean through. Moving stops, follow every single time, saying it'll bounce while the account flatlines. I trade revenge like it's part of the plan. Over leverage with shaky hands. Mama said, boy, you should probably stop, but the NQ candles just don't quit. Giddy up, there goes the account. Risk management tomorrow. That's not revenge trading, that's recovery. Just one more contract, that's what I said. Now I'm sweating bullets, staring at red. Told the Chad I'm disciplined 5 minutes ago. Now praying to Jesus, watching NASDAQ go. The market give it, the market take it away. One green trade got me feeling like Buffett today. Then I sized up crazy, thought I couldn't lose. Now I'm eating ramen noodles, singing funded account blues. If I don't close the trade, did I really lose? If I had the P&L, can't nobody see the bruise. If I pass this evil, I'm basically Warren Buffett. If I blow this funded, we don't talk about it. I got rules I probably shouldn't use, like moving stops and watching candles new. Diamond hands on a terrible trade, telling everybody it's just a pullback phase. I keep buying dips that never bounce. Turn small.
Smash that like button, guys. Welcome into the tack room.
Cowboys don't cry when the charts go.
Nam says back to the 61.8.
Around the house. Minutes later, account blown sideways. Risk management important, guys. That's what everybody says. Ride the candles, survive the margin call. Funded by Friday, blown by Monday. The trading cowboy, giddy up.
We're going to go back down to like the 130s, 134.
Sun comes up on the tick chart glow. Coffee in a thermos, boots on the floor.
Plausible.
Zero dawn nodding in that busted old hat says, boy, this open's what we came here for. Trading cowboy laughs ain't my first rodeo. Gronky tonk man's humming low at the bar. Guitar guy, Yusef picks a dealing tune while Charles drives charts like a dusty old car.
We'll see how we're doing today.
Sun's going down on the candles I rolled. Charts still burning from the paths I chose. Some green runs, some lessons paid. Every tick wrote the moves I made. Had a runner that flew, had one that slipped. Got a little too heavy, had it one too quick. But I ain't done, now I'm still in the fight. Close the books, take a breath tonight. Yeah, the market don't care who you are. It'll humble you fast, leave a scar. But every loss got a lesson inside if you're willing to look. Not high, this is the Cowboy's law. Write it down in truth. Wins and the losses, yeah, they all leave proof. Balance the books, let the numbers speak. Find the strength in the habits you keep. Write it back tomorrow, no fear, no plea. Becoming the trader you said you'd be. One trade at a time, one step each.
Rolling over pretty good now.
Some hit targets, some slipped away. Took that A+, yeah, the clean set up and chased one late and paid too much. Felt that pressure creeping in close, trying to force.
Welcome to the Tact Room, guys. Smash that like button.
See it now, gotta slow that pace.
Click that subscribe button.
In this race I chase, ain't about swinging at every pitch. The ones you wait for that make you rich. Patience paid is the strongest hand. Not every move's meant to land. This is the Cowboy's law, real and raw. Every entry, every flaw I saw. Count the wins, but respect the cost. Growth build more from what you lost. Saddle up tomorrow, clear eyes to see. Becoming the trader you said you'd be. Stay the course, don't chase the flame. Consistency's the name of the game. Yeah, slow it down, lock it in. Discipline over trying to win. Not every day's a payout.
That's a buy for me, but I don't like this candle.
The trader you're building. Brick by
I want to see it come down to the 200 EMA also, so I'm a little conflicted right now.
how you stay. This is the Cowboy's law. End of the day. True
What do we think, chat?
numbers, no running away. Mindset reset, get ready to ride. Leave that ego off to the side. Tomorrow's coming, another chance to see. Becoming the trader you said you'd be. From the saddle
I'm gonna try. I'm gonna put my stop below 100. And we're gonna target up here, and I'm gonna add into this if it comes down a little bit. Could be a bear flag, so not financial advice, guys. Yeah, we are.
Up before the opening bell, screen glow on my face. Got lines drawn all over that chart, like a road map to some place. Red, green, flicker and fight, candles dancing in a row. I've been studying this storm all night, just waiting for it to blow. I'm just trading my heart on a Friday, risking it all on a little uptick. Yeah, I'm
The 30-minute, this would be the perfect place to bounce, Nom. Half of the previous 30. Put a nice wick on this candle. And your TP could honestly be way up here at 190s. Bad rejection there at the 21, not 14.
Trading my heart, that's what I do. Some days I'm up, some days I'm down. Fear and hope spinning me around. But you're that steady line through the wild. You turn this gambler into a child. Oh, you do, I'm just trading my heart on a Friday. Risking it all on a little love tea. Oh yeah, I'm counting on us like a breakout. Hoping this run's gonna really
Using 30% is back 115 to push to 152.5. I like that fish. I moved my TP to the 180s just because on the 30-minute it looked like the top of that previous wick was at the 190s, kind of where we were targeting earlier. Mom said if 115 can't hold, the 38.2 is at 79.
Boots on the floor, screen lights glow. Jar like an open road, get it up, let's go. I'm the trading cowboy, stocks are my thing. And Q on the dashboard, hear that bell ring. Bear flags, bull flags, I rope and I brand. This could be the best 8 seconds ever hit this land. Ride those candles, ride that run, long it to the highs, yeah, chase that sun. Short it to the lows when the tide starts to set. This could be the best 8 seconds, yeah, yeehaw. I'm the trading cowboy, giddy up, catch that momentum, boy. Charts look wild, I just grin. One more trade, let the rodeo begin. We're gathered here, my friends, to lay one dream to rest. A shiny screen, a wild idea. I tried to do my best. Click that buy, then clicked it twice. Thought I'd ride it to the sky, but that margin call came knocking, tipped its hat and said goodbye. So raise your glass for my blown up futures account. It went fast on a tiny little price amount. I was a trading cowboy,
Fish said POC's here now.
Till the red just to wipe me out. Use code Cowboy for your discount on a brand new account.
There's the 9 on a 15-minute.
May your losses rest in peace. May your lessons stick around. Tip your hat to every chart before you lay that money down. Yeah, raise your glass for my blown up futures account. We bounce back. That's what this ride's about. Still a trading cowboy.
Yeah, I don't want to wait that long, but that's where I got my stop right now.
Cowboy for your discount on a brand new account. Trading cowboy.
Welcome into the tack room, guys. Smash that like button.
They call it gambling. I call it one trade away. One setup, one clean execution, one funded account. Away from changing everything.
And that again right there.
The trading cowboy.
Every trader knows the feeling, staring at the screen at night, dreaming about the day one candle finally sends your life in flight. Bills stacked high on the counter, pressure heavy on your chest, telling yourself this next account might be the one that changes all the rest. Mama thinks I'm crazy, friends all think I'm broke, but they ain't seen a cowboy locked in with hope. 'Cause deep down every trader believes one full port move could set 'em free. I'm one full port trade from financial freedom, one clean runner from changing my life, one funded payout from telling my family we finally gonna be alright. If it ain't today, then saddle up and reload again. Use the trading cowboy code and take another shot, my friend. Ride the candles, rope the market. Cowboys never quit the fight. One trade away from freedom. Maybe tonight. Some accounts get blown to pieces. Some trades humble you real fast. But every real trader knows this dream ain't built for quitters that don't last. I done watched red days break men, seen revenge trade and steal souls. But the ones that keep on showing up eventually take control. Coffee black before the open, charts glowing in the dark. Another chance at freedom, another shot to leave a mark. Maybe this next funded account is the one. Maybe this next breakout pays the bills. Maybe this next runner changes your family tree forever. I'm one full portrait from financial freedom, one clean move from changing my name, one payout request from proving to everybody I wasn't crazy, chasing this game. And if today ain't the day, cowboy, don't let the dream die.
I hope so, Kislaya. I hope so. Right off the 200, right?
Saddle up one more time. Most people quit too early, right before the move they were waiting for.
If it closed below the 200, I was going to get out anyway, but
Rewards the cowboy
see if we get that push now.
who keep riding. Giddy up.
There's the 21. We don't want it to look back.
Boots on the desk, coffee ring on the blotter. Sun ain't up yet, but I'm hunting for dollars. Got my head tipped low, screen glow hitting my eyes. Little heat in my cheeks as the future starts to rise. Charts are like
Let me get out of a couple of these in case I need to add back in. Let's see.
counts one tick at a time. Finger on the trigger, heart on the wire. Every little flicker feeds that fire. Push
Let me take 2 off.
candles green, let's rip, let's ride, you know what I mean. Kick that open, widescreen saloon. Yeah, we shout yee-ho to the moon. High-speed horses on a fiber trail, clicking these trades like we're chasing tail. Push NASDAQ, push those candles green, let's rip, let's ride, live the screen door dream. Got my watch list loaded like a bell full of round. When that volume stampedes, you can feel it shake the ground. Oh yeah, chat room talking like campfire talk at night. We're telling tales of a limit feels we barely survive. Win streaks, whipsaw, same old song. One good runner and I'm right back on. Push NASDAQ, push those candles green. Let's rip, let's ride. You know what I mean. Kick that open, widescreen saloon. Come on, we shout yee-haw to the moon. High-speed horses on a fiber trail, clicking these trades like we're chasing tail. Push NASDAQ, push those candles green. Let's rip, let's ride, live the screen door dream. I've been stopped out, locked out, flat in the dust, but I saddle up it open, turn that fear into trust. When that trend line bends and the sky turns blue, I'm a cold rig cowboy riding straight on through. Push NASDAQ, push those candles green. Let's rip, let's ride, you know what I mean. Kick that open, widescreen saloon. Hands up, high, we howl at the moon. High-speed horses on a fiber trail, clicking these trades like we're chasing tail. Push NASDAQ, push those candles green. Let's rip, let's ride till the closing bell scream. Whoa, 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 whoa,
Trying to break out of this.
sun up glow on a ticker screen. Coffee gone cold.
They're not at the 21 again.
Charts lined up like a cattle drive. I rope that move, make the numbers fly. Red turns green in a blink, blink, blink. Heartbeats countdown, don't even think. Fast hands dance on a worn out mouse. This little desk is my glass walled house. Ride the NASDAQ, hanging on tight. Master the momentum, lightning in the night. Sharp mind swing where the wild winds blow. Turning all that whiplash into solid gold. Trade the future on the moment under these neon halos. Precision in the chaos, yeah, that's how this cowboy rolls.
Can't get that push. Smash that like button for us, guys. You know what to do. Click that subscribe button. I'm going to take another 2 off right there. I'm going to bring my stop to the bottom of that candle now. Still looking for that 150 area. Let's see if we can push over this 50. I don't know. I don't know. See how strong she is.
Master the momentum, lightning in the night. Sharp mind swing where the wild winds blow, turning all that whiplash into solid gold. Trade the future on the moment under these neon
I'm going to take another one off right there. Got one left. I'm going to put it right under the 50. $50 held once, just barely, and out right there for about 46 points on the last one. Took one off up here though for about 60 points.
We are gathered here, my friends, to lay one dream to rest. A shiny screen, a wild idea. I tried to do my best. Click that buy, then clicked it twice. Thought I'd ride it to
Up 893 now.
that margin call came knocking. Tipped its hat and said goodbye. So raise your glass for my blown up futures account. It went fast on a tiny little price amount. I was a trading cowboy till the red just widened me out. Use code cowboy for your discount on a brand new account.
Smash that like button for us, guys. Click that subscribe button. Help us blow up this channel.
Hours on the chart, 30 contracts deep. Stop was just a suggestion while I chased that losing streak. Now it's screenshots, war stories, laughing at the mess I made. But there's a fresh log in a waiting and a smarter plan to trade. So raise your glass for my blown up futures account. It went fast on a tiny little price amount. I was a trading cowboy till the red just widened me out. Use code cowboy for your discount on a brand new account. May your losses rest in peace. May your lessons stick around. Tip your hat to every chart before you lay that money down. Yeah, raise your glass for my blown up futures account. We bounce back. That's what this ride's about. I'm still a trading cowboy. Hear me
Getting a little push right here.
Alarm bell ring, screens light up, green and red like county fair eyes. Got my watch list, got my plan, ain't just throwing darts and hoping this time. Moving averages across the lane in, MACD talking about a shift in the wind. Volume jumping like a Friday crowd, ATR saying it's running wild now. I'm riding this chart like a back road line. Fibonacci on the dash as I watch that climb. Bollinger Bank like barbed wire tie. Volatility dancing in the neon night. RSI says run too far. Momentum oscillators
3 minutes till the hourly close.
points marked like fence post signs. Trend line holding as the ticker flies. 15-minute candle first break of the day. Or be hitting like a hometown parade. VWAP sitting like a center stripe. Price comes back and it feels just right. Trend reversals whispering maybe. Inversion in my gut say easy.
Probably gonna hop off of here
Just another small win in a
here shortly.
like a back road line.
Maybe join the guys in the Discord.
Fibonacci on the dash as I watch that climb.
So if you're in here and you're not part of the Discord and you want to be, type a howdy in the chat and I'll throw the link in there. It's totally free. For now. For now. Let's go.
RSI says run too far. Momentum oscillators humming like a truck in the yard. Pivot points marked like fence post signs. Trend line holding as a ticker flies. Could be red, could be green, it's alright. Wrist set tight, I can sleep at night. Oh yeah, just a farm kid reading candlesticks, turning little ticks into big life kicks. I'm riding this chart like a back road line. Fibonacci on the dash as I watch that climb. Bollinger Band like barbed wire tie. Volatility dancing in the neon night. RSI says run too far. Momentum oscillators humming like a truck in the yard. Pivot points marked like fence post signs. Trend line holding as the ticker flies. Coffee on screen is glowing, sun comes up, numbers going, little green flicker on the side, got that itch for one more ride. Push those candles, push it, NASDAQ, stack it higher, never look back. Let's go, let's ride. Yeah, push those candles.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Watch it fly. Let's go.
What was that, guys? What was that? There's the 150s. Nice push.
Shark keeps climbing every tick. Feel like timing. Gut says hold, but my hands say bye. Another breakout coming by. Push those candles, push it, NASDAQ, stack it higher. Never look back. Let's go. Let's ride. Yeah, push those candles, chase that sky. Take that ticker, watch it fly. Let's go. Let's ride. Oh yeah.
Push through the lows, break through these EMAs. Take me lower, watch that screen go gray. Whip those bulls, make the green lines drown. Push those
What's it doing? It's trying to hold right here at the 150s.
let's ride it to the bottom. Break that VWAP, show 'em how we got 'em. Take me lower. Don't you dare stop now. Come on down, 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 down. Come on down, down, come on down. Yeah. Red bar, stack it on the left.
Still trying to push right here. Let's see what it can do.
Got scars from the summers, a rally ran wild. Bears at the door, bulls acting like a child. They call me crazy, but I call it art. Ain't cute, not for the faint of heart. Fearless in the face of the NASDAQ, riding that screen like a wild Mustang. Volatility is my playground. I saddle that storm and I yank on the rein. I don't chase moves, I catch them. I wait in the weeds till the price comes to me. One shot, infinite possibilities. This country as it gets for a cowboy like me. Mama says, son, that ain't real land, but I'm staking out lines on a 5-minute span. Green, red candles like a ballroom fight. I'm calm as a preacher on a Saturday night. Gotta stop like a holster tied to my side. Wrist small, aim tall, let the wrist alright. If it hits my level, I play my part in Q, not for the faint of heart. Fearless in the face of the NASDAQ, riding that screen like a wild Mustang. Volatility is my playground. I saddle that storm and I yank on the rein. Don't chase moves, I catch them. I wait in the weeds till the price comes to me. One shot, infinite possibilities. This country as it gets for a cowboy like me. Maybe it's luck, maybe it's skill, maybe it's just stubborn will. But I'll be here till the closing bells dawn. Not for the faint of heart. Fearless in the face of the NASDAQ, riding that screen like a wild Mustang.
All right, I'm going to get off here, guys. I'm going to jump over to the Discord here in just a little bit. Go hang out with the boys over there. If you're part of the Discord, we'll see you there. If you're not and you want to be, hit us up in the chat. Remember, guys, the Trading Cowboy loves you no matter what you do. Stay safe, stay green. We'll ride again tomorrow. I'll see you on the Discord here shortly. And remember, guys, no matter where you go, there you are. Thanks, guys. Giddy up.
We came on in with the dawn, bullpen buzzing, coffee gone. Charts were dancing on the screen, you and me in a little green. Now the sun is dropping low, time to wrap this rodeo. If you had a good ride tonight, hold that smile and hold on tight. Thanks for tuning in to the Trading Cowboy live stream. We enjoyed riding with you, hope you got what you came to see. Smash that like button on your way out, darling. Be sure you are subscribed so you get the next one riding. We chase them numbers side by side, horseshoe look and a steady guide. If the market kicked and spun, you stayed through every mile we run. Now the barn doors close slow, but we'll be back, you know. Same hat, same grin, same show. Next time we'll let it roll. Thanks for tuning in to the Trading Cowboy live stream. We enjoyed riding with you, hope you got what you came to see. Smash that like button on your way out, darling. Be sure you are subscribed so you get the next one riding.
Tip your hat at the screen. Keep that good luck in between. When the next trail opens wide, we'll be back on the other side. Thanks for tuning in to the Trading Cowboy live stream. We enjoyed riding with you. Hope you got what you came to see. Smash that like button on your way out, darling. Be sure you are subscribed so you get the next one right.